Okay, now we're on step 2. I'm gonna show you how to sew it all together. So I am doing, remember I'm doing design 2. So you wanna look in your directions for whichever one you're doing. Design 1, to make design 1, you wanna follow this one. To make design 2 here, and then to make design 3 is here. Okay, so here we go. Design 2. Arrange the 9 squares as shown in the diagram. So first thing you want to do is arrange the squares that you cut out. Remember last step I had cut out my squares from my printed and my solid, and now I need to arrange them how my front's going to look. So I can decide how I want them. This makes pretty good sense to me. So I'm going to take this and make these. I'm going to do it like, let's see, it tells me to do a solid, print, solid, and then print, solid, print, and then like this. So that's how I want my front to look. That's how the picture is. Then I'm going to sew all these together. And it's just like we did the pillow in Dietetics and Home Management 1. It's the same technique. You're going to sew right sides together. So I'm going to sew this one to this one. I'll put those together and pin it. And then this one to this one. That's pin. Okay. So remember when I sew it in the machine, you're going to stitch precisely 1/4 inch from the edge. So on your machine, you're looking for the 1/4 inch indicator on your throat plate, so that's what your seam allowance. Not 5/8, it's 1/4 inch. We were doing 5/8 last time, so it's 1/4 inch. So we're sewing 1/4 inch there. Then I'd sew 1/4 inch here, and it'll look like this when it's done. And then I'm going to iron and press that down. I'm going to do the same with all these rows. And then once these are done, I'm going to connect this row to this row and sew it so it looks like that, just like we did the pillow in level 1 class. So after I have a complete top, so I have a top row, I have a center row, and a bottom row also together, and then I'm going to sew the top to the center row, matching the seams, and then the center row to the bottom, and then it'll all be one piece together. So that's what it looks like finished. You do the same thing with the other views. You just have to read the directions a little bit more difficult. For design 3, I'll have to show you how to cut those into making those. I'll make another video on this. Okay, so for design 1 and 2, these directions should work for you. Okay, the end.